We didn't ask, neither side asked for a meeting from the U.S. or from the Philippines. So that's basically the reason why we didn't. Because we are in very, very close communication with the White House. We are in very close communication with, I know that SND is very close communication with their Secretary of, hindi na pala Defense, War, Secretary of the Department of War. In terms of trade, both Secretary Chris Roque and Secretary Go are still in the middle of negotiations for certain products in terms of the tariff schedule that the Americans have put up. I'm guessing here, but I would imagine that his purpose here was to connect back with ASEAN and with South Korea and with Japan and then meet with Xi Jinping. And he managed to. Kasi pagkatapos na yung meeting ni Xi Jinping, umuwi na kagad. And he was represented